Hello, everyone. My name is Rowan Shaban, and today I'll be talking about different types of classroom assessments and how we can use them to improve student learning. Assessments are tools that help us see what students know and where they may need help. There are different types of assessments that teachers use. Some happen before the lesson, some during, and some after. Each type helps us guide our teaching and make sure every student can reach their goals. Pre-assessments, also called diagnostic assessments, are used before teaching starts. They help us understand what students already know. For example, I might use an entrance ticket or a quick quiz to see where students are with a new topic. Another way is with a KWL chart, where students list what they know, want to know, and learn. By doing this, I can plan my lesson to match their current knowledge and help them build on it. Formative assessments happen while students are learning. They allow us to see how well students understand and if they need extra help. Some strategies are think, pair, share activities, quick quizzes, or even just observing students. These assessments let us adjust our teaching right away. For example, I might use a quick quiz halfway through a lesson to check if students are following along or need more practice. The summative assessments happen at the end of a unit or a lesson. They show how much students have learned overall. Examples include final projects, tests, or presentations. These assessments help us see if students understood the whole lesson or if they need to review certain topics. For instance, after a science unit, an end of unit test would tell me if the student understood the main ideas. Using different assessment methods help us reach all students. It keeps students engaged by giving them varied ways to show what they know. It also allows us to track student progress in different ways, ensuring we're meeting each student's needs. By mixing up our methods, we can make learning more enjoyable and effective. Digital tools make assessments easier and more engaging. Like Google Forms, they're great for quick quizzes. Kahoot makes quizzes fun and interactive. Flipgrid. Flipgrid lets students share videos responses. Seesaw. Seesaw allows students to create portfolios and share progress with families. Using these tools can make assessments easier for teachers and more enjoyable for students. Assessments data tells us a lot about our students. We can see which topics students are struggling with and adjust our teaching. It helps us focus on areas that need improvement and make sure students meet their learning goals. This way, we can be flexible and adapt to what our students need. Pre-assessments help us know where to start with each student. They show us students' strengths and areas they need to improve. We can make our lessons more effective by tailoring them to students' needs from the beginning. This helps set students up for success. Formative assessment allows excuse me. Formative assessment allows us to make adjustments in real time. They give immediate feedback so we can help students as they learn. These assessments encourage students to stay engaged and take an active role in their learning. By checking in often, we make sure students stay on track. Summative assessments show us the big picture. They confirm if students understood the material after completing a lesson or unit. They help teachers evaluate if the lesson met its goals and if any areas need to be revisited. This helps us see the overall success of our teaching. In summary, using different assessments help us better support our students. Each type of assessment has its own purpose, from understanding what students know to checking their progress and finally evaluating their overall learning. Digital tools can also make assessments easier and more interactive. Thank you for your attention. I hope you found these strategies helpful. This slide has all the references I've used in my presentation. Thank you for watching.